es la magia? Saben, muchas veces me he preguntado esto. Ahora sé que la magia es transformación.
Hey there, sorry, I'd love to stay and chat, but I've really gotta go.
Really? Come on, guys. We need to protect the wolves.
I don't think this is a good idea.
Hello, how are you? I like chicken wings.
Hola, esto es una prueba de lip sync.
Sure, I'll walk your dogs. How hard could it be?
That is so annoying.
¿Qué es la magia? Muchas veces me he preguntado esto.
Please don't make me go. You can keep homeschooling me.
Taught you everything I know.
But I don't want to go.
Well, I don't want to go to work, but I do.
I am Thaddeus, the greatest sword fighting man to ever live.
Hello? Oh, my dear, it's you.
I'm gonna have some coffee. What do you want? Some milk or what? Milk?
Coffee's fine. Yeah, I drink it. I'm hip.
Hi, my name is Alex. Welcome to the 21st century.
Sorcery! Witchcraft!
It's about the cones.
Mr. Jordan, let's have a chat, shall we?
I can bring you in warm. Or I can bring you in cold.
I'm sorry, I went to the panic carousel, the ferry wheel. I can't find them anywhere.